Hello, welcome. How to export this one? So you want to make it to be R&B. So if you want this to, you change this to QuickTime. Change video to QuickTime animation. And change this one. Change this one to video. So encoding QuickTime and video and audio if you want. If you don't want have audio, then you have transparent. Come on. So when you have this and you want to display data, you can choose control, and here we have it. So tab, choose tab. No. So tab there. So there you can. So use tab to go in and out from there. You can do tab and change the audio if you want. If you want to split them, or you can do strip and go to strip, go here and go disconnect strip. So then you can change the audio here also. then you can choose and ctrl D and make it so. Now we can change it to so, D, so. There you have it. I hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe and like this video.